Hey guys, it's Marcella from Pebbles Crazy Crystals, and I'm just showing you guys just the inside of the Pebbles Shack or the new she shed that I have built. Right now, I just got the installation up. I am waiting on the guy for actually it has to be re-leveled because apparently now my door doesn't close because it's aligned off because I guess the shed is not leveled. I thought it was, but I guess once it settled into the ground, it became unleveled. Um, so yeah, so it's an A-frame, 9 feet wide by 16 feet long, and this is where all of the live sales are gonna be. Any sneak peeks? Those of you who follow me on my other channel, Tai Tarot, on YouTube. Um, my tarot readings will be out here also. Kind of give me a little bit more quieter setting. Um, but yeah, I'm really happy with how everything turned out. Just just keep panning around for you guys. Kind of give you guys a backup view. I wanted a bigger shed, but they couldn't get it through my gate, so. But yeah, so the floors, I got several picks that I'm going to choose from, and I'll probably show you guys that in a different video. I am going to be going with a slate gray with the wall colorings. Let's see. I kind of want that. I didn't want it too dark, but just enough to where I can get the job done. Kind of going for that steampunk, uh, black piping, rustic wood type theme. Okay. All right. So we're gonna go outside so you guys can kind of see how everything looks from the back here. So I got my ramp. Hopefully, I'm hoping you guys can see this. There we go. So those of you who live in North Carolina and you need a shed done, a customized shed, I highly recommend Sheds by Design. It's a family-owned business out of Cleveland, North Carolina. That did the shed, so they have like a 3 to 5 week turnaround, give or take. So I got my metal roofing and the exhaust vents. Like I said, the electrical's already done, obviously. You guys saw the lights. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'm ready to get everything done so I can start moving everything in. Let me see if I can get a backup picture a little bit better. All right, guys. It's just a quick update. And I will see you and talk to you guys later. All right, take care. Bye-bye.